And I'm really, really excited to see both of them do whatever it is that they're promising on the promos of colors that they're going to do, because they really need to do it. So wishing them all the best with that, and I hope that they get the world's forgiveness.
Yes.
And Arjun and me seem to be sporting similar looks. I'm glad I trimmed my goatee just before I came, otherwise we would have really looked very, very
We are actually Jodwa.
weirdly similar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I want to ask you something. I asked him a question.
Yes,
I want
sure.
to ask you, we all love watching you dance. You love dancing. You love performing. Abhi bhi nervous hote ho when you dance? Tell us honestly. Do you feel that anxiety when you go up on stage?
See, when you once in a while stand next to, sit next to, act next to, talk next to Hrithik Roshan, it just reminds you of the fact that there's a very long way to go as a dancer. And I'm not saying this just for
easy way out. Easy
I'm
answer.
not saying this for effect. Listen, I saw your first film, and I remember, you know, I just bought myself a sports bike and all. No, it wasn't your first film. It was Koi Mil Gaya. That was the film that I saw, and I just debuted and all, and I came on my bike and all that. And I came thinking I'm damn cool and all, I've debuted, man, I'm like in it and all. And I saw the film and I left in a rickshaw. Because I felt so depressed about myself as an actor. So Hrithik is amazingly inspiring, and seriously, seeing him dance is a learning experience every time. The amount of work he puts into his performances is really something to learn from. Everybody, all choreographers always tell me that, you know, the amount of time he rehearses is something they've never seen anybody else do. So there's a lot of effort that goes into what he does, and that's very, very inspiring. So yes, I do get nervous before every time I dance. And this year there's Hrithik Roshan as well, so I'm going to feel even more nervous, and I'm going to be equally excited to watch him perform.
See the dedication he has.
This is what, ask and you shall receive. Anil Kapoor teaches it to us.
I mean, this is his dedication. I know for a fact that this man, when he knows he has dubbing, will be up at 6 a.m. in the morning because subah awaaz bahut achhi sound karti hai, and he'll go and dub. And that is the kind of passion that we all need to learn, and I hope I can imbibe that and make him proud like he was saying.
All right, give it up for these jhakkas people on stage. All of them, yes. Arjun, you have one last chance to ask Chachu a question. Would you like to ask him something?
नहीं, I think उन्होंने मतलब जो कहना था, जो करना था, सब कुछ कर दिया. अभी मलेशिया में मिलते हैं, वहाँ पे होंगे सवाल जवाब, वहाँ पे होगी मस्ती. And see you all at IFA 2015.
Well, great. Before that, I just have something for you. Please, ja. Please, ja. Please, nahi ghar. All right, ladies and gentlemen, like I said earlier, before you go, there is one practice run you have to do of something that you will be doing at IFA. Can all of you together once look into the audience with your mics and say, "We love you, IFA!" One, two, three.
We love you,
All right. There's just one little activity. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Sir.
Ek second.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Sir
Actually,
is saying hello. Excuse me.
एक सेकंड, शांति.
Hup.
Just say खामोश.
Khamosh. Irshad, sir.
क्या हो गया कि I'm a very hungry actor, तो मुझे मौका नहीं मिला बोलने के लिए, तो मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ. We love you, IFA!
That's the way it's done. That's the way it's done, boys and girls. That's Anil Kapoor. All right, before we go, just a quick question. Hrithik, of course, you've won an IFA award.
Yeah.
Sir, you have won an IFA award.
Yes, too.
Too, very proudly so. So, Nakshi, my Janiman, have you won an IFA award?
Yes, my debut award.
All right, that's her debut. Shahid, you're looking hotter every day. It's a time, I'm telling you. Have you won an IFA award?
Yes.
Arjun? Oh, the whole industry knows this? I thought I was special. Arjun, have you won an IFA award?
No, I've never won an IFA award.
Baba?
Baba has won an IFA award.
So you're the only, I obviously can't win it at this point in my life yet, but you know, this is a space where IFA award makes everybody happy. So today, we're going to give you your own, before we go there, lots of practice happening, we're going to give you your own personal special IFA award. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have?
और इस अवार्ड को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा ऋतिक रोशन, अनिल कपूर, सोनाक्षी सिन्हा and शाहिद कपूर को.
Please उसको यहाँ रख
अरे, अरे,
दीजिए.
इतना बड़ा
We would
award.
like to see Arjun Kapoor. This is your award. Get it, my friend. Get
थोड़ा
it.
हिला हुआ है.
Come on.
I think this will have to be given
He did it.
sideways.
Yeah, but Arjun, thank you speech.